Welcome guys, so this is how to sync your voice to your video automatically in CapCut. So first I'll need to look for the video I want to, okay, let me look for it here and drag it. Okay, this is the video I want to work on now. So I'll drag it to timeline here. So very simple thing you're going to do, just to click, let me lower this one up. Okay, let me play the sound first. Let me play it. You can see they are saying the same thing already, so but I want to sync it together so they will be in line. So let me play this one. Okay, after let me increase the so they are the same thing, but they are not syncing together. Let me play. You can see they are not in sync together, so I'm going to put them in sync now. So I'm going to select this audio first, then I'll select the video, then I'll right click it and click sync video to audio. Automatically it will help you sync it together. You can see. They are not in sync together, so this is how to sync. If you want to do any music video, you want to sync them together, this is how to do it. This is how to do it in CapCut. So it's very simple to use. Automatically it's going to help you to sync it together. So thank you guys for watching this particular episode, and then watch out for the next topic, and then do not forget to like, share and comment so your friends can also see this video. Thank you guys once again.